Okay, now this is the white bird, and like oh, the other one that opens its mouth is the green bird, and he opens its mouth like all of them, and his feathers look different, but this doesn't, and he makes sound. And if you can see here, he has a greenish spot and some yellow like the game, and he looks exactly like him, and he also has the good detail of the white on him. And that's all. Bye.